There is updated news about Blake Lively and Justin Balani's case. That's where the judge rules on Blake Lively's protective order request in Justin Balani's case. Notes risk of gossip on both sides. So that's the judge rules. This is from people.com. Reps for both Blake Lively and Justin Balani reached to the judge decision and shared their plans moving forward in discovery. Blake Lively has been granted a modified protective order in her legal battle against Justin Balani and others involved in It Ends With Us, but the court limited the scope for the restrictions she sought. On Thursday, March 13, which is today, Judge Louis J. Lyman ruled that while certain confidential materials will remain protected, an attorney eyes-only designation can only be applied if their disclosure is highly likely to cause a significant business, commercial, financial, or privacy injury. I think what the judge is protected is, from what I read previously, is like doctors note, about their medical, because there's the, it's against the law. The decision follows Lively's request for stricter safeguards to prevent private details from leaking to the media or circulating within Hollywood. The judge acknowledged the risk of sensitive information spreading through industry gossip writing in his ruling. And where confidential information is not disclosed to the media, it may spread by gossip and innuendo to those in the tight artistic community in a position to do harm to one or the other of the parties, but in a manner that might not be readily and immediately detected. A spokesperson for Lively says in a statement today that the court rejected the Wayfarer parties' objections and entered the protections needed to ensure the free flow of discovery material without any risk of witness intimidation or harm to any individual's security. With this order in place, Ms. Lively will move forward in the discovery process to obtain even more of the evidence that will prove her claims in court. The ruling reinforced that the AEO designations should not require case-by-case discussion if the information type is generally considered appropriate for such protection. Baldoni's attorney, Brian Friedman, issued a statement after the court's decision, emphasizing that the defense had never sought the kind of deeply personal information Lively claimed needed extra protection. We are fully in agreement with the court's decision to provide a narrow scope of protections to categorize such as private mental health records and personal security measures that have never been of interest of us, as opposed to Ms. Lively's exceedingly overboard demand for documents for 2.5-year period of time, which the court rightly quashed. We remain focused on the necessary communications that will directly contradict Ms. Lively's unfounded accusations. So Lively attorney had requested a board confidentiality order that would have limited access to certain materials, arguing that the lawsuit's high-profile nature created an increased risk of leaks. Her legal team claimed that keeping some documents restricted to lawyers only was necessary to prevent reputation harm and media scrutiny. Baldoni team pushed back, arguing that Lively's request was excessive and could prevent critical evidence from being assessed during the case. So the court ultimately rejected her attempt to impose strict limitations on all materials and instead focus on specific protections for highly personal information. So that's the latest from Justin Balani and Black Lives court case, and we'll see what happened next. So this is from today's update, and there you have it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and like. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.